I'm Austin from Jumprope, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through all of the in-app editing tools on Jumprope. Add your media to your Jumprope by importing or shooting in the app, and then tap the media to find the editing tools. Mute your video if you want to add voiceover or background music. Adjust the speed of your Jumprope to make footage more engaging by speeding it up or slowing it down. You can also use the advanced speed tool to be more particular about the points you choose to speed up or slow down in your video. Use the trim tool to adjust the points of the video clip at which your video starts and ends. If you want to zoom in on your video or zoom out, or rotate your media, you can find this under the Adjust tool. Add voiceover to your video, just like I'm doing now, if you want to add more context to the video clip. If your video clip didn't come out exactly the way you wanted it to, we do have some filters from cool to warm to bright to help you edit your video. I hope you found this video useful, but if you have any questions, feel free to chat us in the app or send us a DM on Instagram.